In this video, I am going to explain the importance your self-concept plays when it comes to practicing the law of assumption. The information I'm sharing with you today is from The Power of Awareness by Neville Goddard. According to Neville, everything depends on your self-concept. What is self-concept? Your self-concept is everything you think, feel, and believe about yourself on a conscious and subconscious level. This is going to include your strengths and weaknesses, as well as possibilities and limitations. Another way to think about this is to ask yourself, what stories are you telling yourself about yourself? Remember, your self-concept is your destiny. This is no joke. If you haven't already, you need to take time to reflect on your self-concept, the good, the bad, and everything in between. This is essential. Is your self-concept serving you, or is it blocking you? Is your self-concept more positive or negative? Is your self-concept moving you forward in life, or is it keeping you stuck and feeling helpless? This is all about being honest with yourself and keeping it real. Neville specifically states the following: that which you do not claim as true of yourself cannot be realized by you. Now, you have to ask yourself, what are you not claiming as true of yourself? You are essentially cutting yourself off from that possibility. So you need to start claiming as true of yourself who and what you want to be. It's all about gaining awareness. Here is another gem of wisdom from Neville. He says, all is yours. This is true as long as you assume it. You have to assume whatever it is that you want. Otherwise, it's a no-go. Imagine that you already are who and what you want to be, and you need to feel it, of course. Feel this as a present reality. Neville also states that your experiences are determined by your assumptions, whether conscious or unconscious. Your self-concept is going to set the tone for your assumptions, because if you have a positive and healthy, empowering self-concept, then you are going to have those kind of assumptions. Your self-concept is the foundation. If your self-concept is negative, however, your assumptions will more than likely be negative. You can absolutely reimagine your self-concept and create a new, beautiful, positive self-concept that will benefit you and transform your life. And when you do this, it's going to be so much easier to take on positive assumptions that will be the icing on the cake to your life, to experiencing more of the beautiful things that you want in life. It's all connected. Remember, your power is within. If you have more of a negative self-concept, then there's a really good chance that using the law of assumption, not that it won't work for you, but more than likely it won't work for you because you already have a lot of negative beliefs and thoughts in place about what is in the realm of possibility for you. I hope that makes sense. You're setting that bar for yourself. You are worthy of all of the amazing things that you want in life. You are worthy of being the person you want to be. Our self-concept is important, period. But when it comes to the law of assumption, it is definitely very important, and it is a huge part of having success with this law. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.